We have an update this afternoon on that small plane crash in central Iowa that killed 4 Siouxlanders earlier this month. Results from a preliminary autopsy report from the Iowa Medical Examiner's Office shows that all 4 of those people died in the crash, suffering from carbon monoxide poisoning. The report words the cause of death as blunt force injuries in the setting of carbon monoxide poisoning. That report did not say which came first, though. Sioux City doctor Kevin Folkert telling us today that carbon monoxide poisoning is extremely dangerous and often does go undetected.
The main symptoms are headache, malaise, weakness, and then if it gets severe, it'll lead to confusion or altered mental status and even to a coma.
Now, the NTSB continues its investigation of the crash. So far, no additional information has been released.